doulas need to stay in their own lane. I think OBs that don't understand physiological birth, don't support it, and say things like there's no benefits to delayed cord clamping after 3 minutes, need to stay in theirs. Look, I get it. They have seen things. They are high-risk doctors. They are surgeons. But going on their TikToks, and I'm not going to name names, but I'm seeing a lot of this lately and it's starting to tick me off. Going on their TikToks and telling you that doulas have absolutely no idea what they're talking about, you need to be questioning everybody. When you are looking at evidence, you cannot just look at research because research is often skewed. And you cannot just take advice from a doula because we get it wrong too. And you can't just take advice from your doctor. What you need to really look at is how natural is your natural birth going to be. You know, the empowered birth method is we aim for a true natural birth and then we pull back only as much as you feel you need. So what does that look like? There's a book that I'm currently reading. It's called Natural Hospital Birthing. It's by Cynthia Gabriel, and as you can see, I've got a whole bunch of notes in here because this book is amazing. Obviously, it's backwards because I'm on Instagram right now. And what it really says is that you want to create your ideal birth plan, which is something that, of course, I also incorporate, and she's gone even deeper into it. She also has a unique perspective as someone who studied anthropology, and she also witnessed births in Russia. So in Russia, there is very little medicated birth. Most women just go in and they have a natural birth and it's just done. Over here in North America, most people are medicated or talked into being medicated or told there's no trophy for going unmedicated. And a lot of education out there says that natural birth has the benefits. You know that. If you're looking for a natural birth, then you already know what those benefits are. It's still not going to save you and help you have a natural birth, especially a true natural birth, if you're also listening to the skewed advice of OBs out there, especially the ones on TikTok, that say dismissive statements like, well, there's no benefits after 3 minutes, so we should just clamp the cord at 3 minutes. If you want that cord to stay white, and you want to wait for white, and that happens in 3 minutes, great. If it doesn't, if it happens in 5 or 6, again, it's your freaking cord, it's your placenta, it's your body, it's your baby. I don't care what the evidence says. I don't care if they think there's no benefits. Do you think there's a benefit to it? Do you want it? Then stand up for yourself. And I've made that easier than ever with my Empowered Birth Toolkit, which you can just go get off my website. It's empoweringmomsbirth.com/toolkit. Now, the thing about this toolkit, though, is it's ever evolving, ever changing. So if you sign up today and get it, you're going to get onto the Empowered Birth newsletter, which I bring out every single week on Thursdays currently. That may change, but it will be at least once a week, and it's a deep dive, and I go deep into birth advocacy and why things aren't working the way the medical system seems to think one way, the doulas and midwives think another way, and you're caught in the middle of that. So how do you navigate both sides to get the right natural birth for you and the right balance for you? It all takes getting past your fear, training up your partner, getting the right support, going through my 5-pillar system, making sure that you have the right team, and then you do it. And because I don't work with everyone, and because some of my courses may not be accessible to everyone, I mean, I do have your Empowered Birth Academy. That is the middle path. I also have the free path. And the free path is the toolkit which I put resources in, I put workbooks in, I put things that are going to help you get past your fear, get your partner on board. There's even sometimes nutrition guides in there. It's just, I put whatever something comes up, I create that and I put it in the toolkit for a limited time. And you can grab that then, or you can get all of it within your Empowered Birth Academy. So I'm making this really, really easy for you because I'm honestly tired of this. I'm honestly tired of OBs withholding information. I'm tired of the gaslighting. I'm tired of you being caught in the middle between the war of natural birth versus medicalized birth, and that they're pitting like they're going back and forth. It's a witch hunt. And now you can get my entire Empowered Birth system. And all you have to do is go to empoweringmomsbirth.com/toolkit, get on the newsletter, and I'll give you all the tips. And all I ask in return is that you pay it forward, because I am committed to you having an empowered birth. I'm committed to every mother having an empowered birth. Whether that's a completely true, natural, hands-off birth, or you call in a little bit of medical assistance, you deserve to have the best of both worlds. You deserve to have your birth your way, and you get to have it without fighting, begging, compromising, or getting gaslit by the medical system. There's playlists on my YouTube channel, so if you're a first-time mom, second-time mom, like seasoned mom, VBAC mom, or you just really want to get past your fear, it's all there for you. All right, and thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you again soon.